Hello guys, my name is Amol Zavre. My project partners are Pranav Zawan, Kaushal Gavre, Dheeraj Bhosle. We are the students of FIIT from MMCOE Karvenagar. So our project was course registration system, in which me and my team has done a worthful work. So in this project we have added several functions that can be performed by the user. Some of these are enrolling a course, dropping a course, handling attendance, managing grades, faculty, students, etc. So here we have taken some inbuilt libraries: stdr.h, string.h, which is library for strings, string functions, and stdlib.h. Uh, After this, we have declared some defined data for course, student, faculty, and grades. Then we made a structure for course, student, faculty, and admin. So in the course structure, we have course name, course ID, and credits for the course. Uh, for the student, we have student name, student ID, courses enrolled by the students, and number of courses enrolled. Also, we have grades for the student. For the faculty, we have faculty name, faculty ID, courses taught by the faculty. For admin, we have admin name and admin ID. So here are the function prototypes we have implemented in our project: display courses, enroll course, drop course, view schedule, course, manage courses, handle grades, handle attendance, admin manage students, admin manage faculty, admin manage courses, view faculty and students, admin manage students, admin manage faculty, and admin manage course are the prototypes handled by the admin. These So this is the global data declaration for the course. We have three courses: math, physics, and chemistry. Here is the here we have initialized the test data for the student name Alice, ID S001, faculty name Dr. Smith, his ID is F001, and the admin name is admin user and admin ID is 100A001. We have used a while loop for assigning the main menu. For this, we have given four options: student login, faculty login, admin login, and exit. For these choices to be executed, we have used switch case. When the user chooses first case, that is for the student, uh, the user enters the student ID and the credentials for the student. If the student credentials are correct, then the student menu will occur. The student menu has a view schedule, enroll in the course, drop course, log out. Also here we have used switch case for students. In the first case, we have schedule. The student can view the schedule. Uh, like this, we have various options for the student. Then the next case is for the faculty. If the faculty enters the credentials correctly, then a faculty menu will be displayed that has manage courses, handle grades, handle attendance, and logout. Same, the courses will be managed by the. We have also used switch case in this. For the third case, we have admin. Here, admin enters the ID, and and a menu for admin displays: manage student, manage faculty, manage course, view faculty and students, etc., and logout. So here are the function definitions. Display courses. In this function, the courses are displayed with its credits. The next function is enroll course. For the student, here the student enrolls into a course. The next is drop course, where if student wants to drop from the course, here we can do that. The next is view schedule. Here the student can view the schedule of the courses he has enrolled for. This is manage courses function. Here we can manage the courses, add or remove the course. The next function is handle grades. Faculty handles the grades for the students who have enrolled for the course. Next is handle attendance. This function is also used by the faculty to handle the attendance of the student. Next is admin manage students. This function is used by the admin. Here the admin can add student, remove student, or then another function is admin manage faculty. Here the admin can add the faculty or remove the faculty. Next is admin manage courses. Here the admin add the courses or remove the course as per the requirement of the user. And at last we have the function view faculties and view students. This just displays the students and faculties. So now here is the project execution. First we will compile the project, and then we will run the project. Here the menu displays for student login, faculty login, admin login, or exit. I will choose student login. So student ID is S001. So the credentials are correct. So student menu is displayed. I will view the schedule for the student S001. So for this we have no schedule. I will enroll in a course. I will enroll in a course for chemistry. Now I can view the schedule for the student. So here the chemistry schedule is displayed. Now I will log out for the student and log in for faculty. So faculty ID is F001. Manage courses, I will choose add a course. Course name is C programming. Course credits are 4. So handle grades, I will I will log out from the faculty, and now I am choosing admin login. Admin ID is I will choose view all faculties and students. So the student name is Alice, student ID is S001, faculty name is Dr. Smith, and faculty ID is F001. So this is how the project executes. Thank you.